Hello students, I am from Kanungu Economics. In my last class, I have taught you what is economic activities. Today, I want to explain you what is economy and what is economics. Very often the students are confused about economy and economics. They thought that economy and economics are of same thing, but it is not true. The economy and economics are of two different things. অর্থনীতি এবং অর্থশাস্ত্র দুইটি অলগা জিনিস। Let us start. What is the difference? Let us start with what is economy, what is economics. You see, the meaning, it is an organized system. অর্থনীতি এক সংগঠিত ব্যবস্থা। But you see, it is a subject of social science. অর্থশাস্ত্র ହେଲା ଏକ ସାମାଜିକ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ. So naturally it is an organized system. ଏହା ଏକ ସଂଗଠିତ ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା. It is a subject of social science. ଏହା ଏକ ସାମାଜିକ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ. Then we shall switch over to the next point, that is what it deals. What it deals? It deals with economic activities for the production, consumption and distribution of goods and services. उत्पादन, उपभोग एवं बंटन संपर्क रे ए डील करे बा आलोचना करे. But you see what economics deals with? अर्थशास्त्र कौन आलोचना करे ना? it deals with the principle and theories behind the economic activities of production, consumption, distribution of goods and services. अर्थशास्त्र कौन करे ना? अर्थशास्त्र अर्थनैतिक कार्यकलापर विभिन्न प्रकार नीति, विभिन्न प्रकार तत्व संपर्क रे आलोचना करे एवं एई आलोचना मुख्यतः भाव रे कहा उपरे था ना? इट इज ऑन प्रोडक्शन, उत्पादन उपरे, कंजप्शन, उपभोग उपरे एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, बंटन उपरे था. Then we shall come to the next point, that is objectives. You see, I have written it objectives. The objectives of economy is what to produce. अर्थनीतिर objectives बा लक्ष्य हला कौन उत्पादन करिबा, how to produce, किपरि उत्पादन करिबा, and for whom to produce, कहा पाई उत्पादन करिबा. And you see what your economics और अर्थशास्त्र कौन कहूछ ना? the objectives of economics, अर्थशास्त्र रो लक्ष्य हला to suggest what will be produced among different competing ends. You see, in the modern age, our wants are unlimited. We want different kind of goods and the resources of the country is very much limited. In such a conflicting situation, what will be produced and what not will be produced is a biggest problem for the economy. कौन उत्पादन करा जीवो एवं कौन करा जीवो नाही, एटा हला अर्थनीति पाई गोटे विराट समस्या. Because the economy has very limited resources, अति सीमित संबल रही. If one commodity will be produced, another commodity will have to be sacrificed. गोटे उत्पादन कले अन्य को त्याग करने को पड़ेगा. सो इकोनॉमिक्स अर्थशास्त्र कौन करे टू सजेस्ट या उपदेश दिए व्हाट विल बी प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड एमंग डिफरेंट कंपीटिंग एजेंट्स. विभिन्न प्रतियोगितामूलक अभाव भितरे उत्पादन भितरे केउटा को उत्पादन करा जिवो दैट विल बी सजेस्टेड बाय द इकोनॉमिक्स. यहाँ ही अर्थनीति सजेशन दिए बा उपदेश दिए. देन यू सी हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस किपरि उत्पादन करा जिवो. हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस मीन्स व्हाट आर द मेथड्स टू प्रोड्यूस. को प्रकार प्रणाली रे हमें उत्पादन करबा. यू सी there are two different methods of production. One is capital intensive, another is labor intensive. पूंजी भित्तिक एवं श्रम भित्तिक उत्पादन. If more capital will be used, जदि अधिक पूंजी उत्पादन प्रक्रिया रे लगेबा ताहले आमको क्रम श्रम लगेबा को पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू विल कल्टिवेट योर लैंड with the help of tractor, then less number of people will be employed. Or if you will cultivate your land through plough, more number of laborers will be employed. Naturally, if capital will be employed, large number of people will be unemployed, and if labor will be employed, capital will be neglected. In such a conflicting situation, the methods of production बा उत्पादन प्रणाली के उत्पादन प्रणालीटा ठीक हम whether it will be valuable for the economy to produce with the help of capital intensive or labor intensive. पूंजी भित्तिक उत्पादन करिबा किंबा श्रम भित्तिक उत्पादन करिबा ए संपर्क रे उचित मतामत दे परिबो किए अर्थशास्त्र. Then the third point, for whom to produce. You see, in order to produce a commodity, we have to take the help of four factors of production. They are land, labor, capital and organization. भूमि, श्रम, पुंजीर सहायतारे आमे कौनसे एक जिनस को उत्पादन करूँ. सो उत्पादित द्रव्य बा सेवा को we have to distribute among land, labor, capital and organization. And if land, labor, capital and organization will be distributed their share without considering their contribution, सेमानंकर अवदान संपर्क रे विचार न करी जदि आमे समान भावरे उत्पादित द्रव्यटा को भूमि, श्रम, पुंजी और संगठन भितर बांटी दबा, the distribution will be equal, बंटनटा समान है. And equal distribution will minimize the gap between rich and poor. समान बंटन धनी एवं दरिद्र भितर थिबा व्यवधान को ह्रास करे. But we have to think another issues now. If we will equally distributed the commodities in between land, labor, capital and organization, it will hamper the willingness to work, save and invest. एटा कौन करे ना लोक मानकर काम करिवार इच्छा, संचय करिवार प्रवृत्ति बा निवेश करिवार प्रवृत्ति को बाधा प्राप्त करे. So naturally your economics will teach you how optimum allocation of resources will be made among the different factors of production or different agents of production. उत्पादनर विभिन्न विभिन्न सदस्य मध्यरे किभଳି भावरे उत्पादित द्रव्य एवं सेवा को बंटन करा जिवो से संपर्क रे गुरुत्वपूर्ण तथ्य गुरुत्वपूर्ण ज्ञान अर्थशास्त्र ही दे पारिबो. If you note down, you can make a screenshot or you can write so that I can explain you the next point of difference between economy and economics. You see, what we get from economy and economics, it is also very important point of difference. By this system the people get their living. Because of economic system the people are eligible to get their living. That means अर्थनैतिक व्यवस्था पाई लोक माने तांकर बंचिबार माध्यम पाई जानते. You see, different type of economic activities are there. They are with the economic system. And you see, with the different economic because of these economic activities, the people make efforts, get money, buy the products and satisfy their wants. So naturally economic system is the mother by which we get our living. अर्थनैतिक व्यवस्था द्वारा आमे बंचिबार माध्यम पाऊ. अर्थनैतिक व्यवस्था मध्यरे विभिन्न कार्यकलाप रही अछि. आमे आमर विभिन्न अभाव मानकु पूरण करिबा पाई सेही कार्यकलाप को आमे चूज करू. वी वर्क आमे काम करू. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ वर्क वी गेट मनी. काम साहाय्य रे आमे अर्थ पाऊ. And by the help of money we purchase different goods and services. Money साहाय्य रे आमे विभिन्न द्रव्य एवं सेवा को क्रय करू and we get satisfaction. So economic system is the mother by which we get our living. And you think about economic subject. What economic subject will do? It explain how people will get their living. It will explain how people will get their living. लोक माने तांकर बंचिबा माध्यम किपरि पाइबे, that will be explained, that will be examined, that will be suggested by your economics. So अर्थशास्त्र तुमको बंचिबा किपरि बंचिबो ता संपर्क रे सविशेष धारणा देव. एंड आवर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज हाउ इट एग्जिस्ट. इट इज ऑल्सो एन वेरी इंपोर्टेंट डिफरेंस. हाउ इट एग्जिस्ट, इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम किपरि बंची. यू सी, इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. इन आवर लाइफ we are facing number of economic problems, and because of economic problems your economic system exists. अर्थनीति केवल बंची पारिछि अर्थनैतिक समस्या रही. and you see, economic problems is our lifelong companions, and because of that economic problems your economic system exists. जीवन सारा में अर्थनैतिक समस्यार सम्मुखीन होचु. सेही समस्या पाई अर्थनैतिक व्यवस्था ही बंची रही. एंड यू सी हाउ इकोनॉमिक सब्जेक्ट will do about this problem. The subject of economic exists to solve the economic problems. I have already told you, in our lifetime, economic problems are our constant companions. It will never lead you in a peaceful life. तुमको शांति रे बंचिबा को दब नाही because of this economic problems, ए अर्थनैतिक समस्या पाई. You will become dumbfounded. You will become nervous. But here is the economic subject. एठी ही अर्थशास्त्र रही जी कि तुमको कौन करिब ए सबू अर्थनैतिक समस्यार समाधान रास्ता बतई दब. इट विल सॉल्व द इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. With this, I am extending my thanks to all my viewers for their patient hearing. Wait for my next video, which will give a new light in the new topic. Thank you all.